Spring piston rifle fever!
How you doing? Welcome to Spring Piston Rifle Fever. I'm not really well prepared, but I came out with my table, but I forgot a chair. So I got my new leapers. It's a 3-9 by 40 millimeter objective up here. It's an AO scope, meaning that adjustable objective, which simply means that whatever distance you're shooting at, when you set this at that distance, it's going to help you dial in your shots better. It's going to help you shoot more accurately. It's going to help clear up your sight picture. Then we have the eye relief back here. This is for your crosshairs or your reticle that you look through. This is a mil dot scope. It's got lots of mil dots in there. I apologize that I'm not going to get a good picture of that today. I'm in the beginning of a blizzard out here in South Dakota. It's officially springtime, but springtime don't mean squat here. Actually, I just decided I would sight in my scope, and I was getting a few good shots. I still don't know what this rifle's favorite pellet is. Probably the H&N Field Target Trophy. Maybe I'll shoot that, but I was going to start out with some Crosman Premiers and shoot a shot group. The wind is starting to buck out here, so I don't know how pretty these shot groups are going to be, but I'm going to have you go down range and we're going to check that out, and we're going to shoot some, and we're going to talk about it, and then I'm going to warm up my freezing cold fingers. It's like 25 degrees with the wind. It's not very nice out. It's quite cold. My hand is numb right now. So we're going to go down range, check this out. By the way, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I'd highly appreciate that, and make sure you hit your ringing bell thing so you get notifications when my videos pop up. I'd highly appreciate all that, and I highly appreciate likes and comments. So God bless you. We're going down range now. Well, I would like to shoot more, but I literally can't feel my fingers. They absolutely are killing. But that was a pretty good shot group. So my excuse for that flyer was I tried seating one of the pellets with a screwdriver, and that thing went way low. So these were really cheap Crosman Premier hollow point pellets, and I actually changed from a newer tin from an older tin, because the new tin, like I said, I tried seating a pellet because it wasn't going in very well. It was tight, in the brand new tin, the pellets are a little bit looser and easier to get in. So here's my dime, and it easily fits in. That is a really tiny shot group. So like I said, we're 24 yards out, and better tuck this in here, it might blow away. We're like 24 yards out here. I would like to shoot more. If you want me to have another video to shoot more on a nicer day, just let me know. I'll shoot with this Diana with this Leaper scope on it. Like I said, this scope is my favorite scope. If you have not seen that video, check it out. I will show chronograph tests. I do have air rifle headquarters piston seal, and see that just tried to blow away on me. Piston seal and mainspring in here. The piston seal is extremely tight, so I'm getting slightly slower feet per second with it, but it is gradually climbing up. 15 FPE energy. I don't know if you can see, but it's starting to snow pretty good and hard here. I actually had a broken mainspring in here before when I first got it, and I heated up the old one, put it back in, and when I pulled it out to put this new air rifle headquarters spring in, there was also another coil busted off. So everything that I've seen is that these Diana 34s are supposed to be topping out around 15 foot-pounds of energy in 177 caliber pellets. So that stuff is not really important to me. What's important is that I have sufficient energy to take a squirrel and hit my target. Yeah, printing tiny shot groups is so incredibly important. Even with my little HW30, which only shoots 7 foot-pounds of energy, I've put pellets right in the back of the ear of a squirrel and severed their head, severed their brain. So energy, you don't need these big giant magnums. You need something that's smooth shooting and accurate. That's perfect for pesting and hunting. But it is blizzarding out here. I'm going to pan the camera around. I don't know if you can see everything that I'm seeing here, but it's nice. I mean, I don't want to get caught in a whiteout. That's like a nightmare. I think I can make it back if it was. I have been caught in whiteouts before. Anyhow, if you like what you see today, like I asked before, give it a like, give it a subscribe. I'll put a link down again on this Leaper scope. On this Leaper scope that I got. So stay safe, God bless, and happy Resurrection Sunday.